Hi everyone, welcome back. This is PrimeCables radio Bluetooth speaker and model number is R908. It has got aux port as well. And this is the English user manual and French manual. It comes with the USB cable, the case, and the retro Bluetooth speaker itself. It has got two knobs, one for volume and another one for tuning the radio. And it has got a mode switcher in the back, aux port, charge port. It works well, and this got aux port USB cable as well. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye.